Hi guys, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've done a budgeting video or anything to that nature, but what I'm into doing now is resetting everything. If you followed my journey before, I cash stuffed, I done savings challenges, I paid my bills, and this is a total reset for me. I wiped out everything. It's all in the bank. It's paid the bills. So I'm getting ready for April's budget, and I'm just going to be straight up honest. It's going to be rough. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing. I did cancel my cable. I got to return the boxes. Comcast was $280 a month, and I went with Starlink for $120. We do not have any premium channels. We have a couple of subscriptions that we do, and that's it. Free TV, mainly what we watch. So guys, this is the new payment bill checklist that I'm doing. Simple, matter of fact, way to go. And I'm tracking my expenses with this one. This is my account at the bank. So every little penny I get is going into here. And I will show you. This did come from Amazon. And we are in the month of April. And I really like this because it is simple, sweet, easy. How you track. You got your income, you got your savings, you got your debt, you got your fixed bills, and then you got other bills and expenses. I use this one over here to keep up with my balances of what I've got left. I do have a lot of Affirm, mainly because that's the only way I can pay for it is by doing payments, but they are almost paid for except for one. And I still owe $409 on it, which is something that is helping my husband pass time. Ballad, that is my medical bill. And I do have, I still owe $543.43 on it. The rest of this is just the bills, and don't get caught up with these, but these right here are cash advances towards my next payday. The reason why I had to do that is because my electric bill for last month was $790.68. So I had to pay it or not have electricity. So I fell into that little scheme. Hopefully I get these paid off and won't have to worry about it no more. So this is what I'm doing. I have my cell phones, which I pay for 3 cell phones. I have my mortgage, my water, my trash, my car payment, my car insurance, and Starlink. And then these over here, the MDG is for the computer that I bought. So, and Smart Lease is for my cell phone. I almost got that paid for. That's good. I'm working to get it all paid off. That way I can extend my little chicken farm and be able to make some extra little income on the side. I guess it's going to be like a little side hustle on cash or what did I wanted to say? A little side hustle for some extra cash. There we go. So this is it. This is bare bones, exactly what I needed. So I really do like this. And like I said, it is on Amazon and it's for 48 months. I mean, it's just all the same. So let's see if I can keep up with this one since I can't do anything else. I am going to start doing a little savings challenge, and I'm looking for, let's see, I'm going to start with Missouri. This money will go into my new binder that I got. And if y'all haven't seen these are the most critical things ever I found. These are fireproof. These are waterproof. So If by chance something happens, it is fireproof. So when I stuff this, it goes into my fireproof safe to give it, you know, a little bit of extra protection. So these are my new envelopes that I'm using. I have utilities. I have transportation. Utilities is water, electric, trash, and Starlink. Transportation is car, payment, gas, and insurance. Housing is mortgage and mortgage insurance. Bills, Affirm, and cash advance, which I'm hoping to get all of them paid off. Then I have the groceries. Health is prescriptions, medical copays, and bills. Mainly because if y'all been around, you know that my husband has had quite a few surgeries lately, and he is doing wonderful. I have pets, and I have entertainment. Entertainment is just like if I want to decide to go out and eat. I'm not a very movie-going person. I don't like going to... I don't like going places. I guess I'd just rather stay home with my chickens. So that is that. And I'm hoping to get back into this. And we'll see how this journey goes. Thank you guys so much for sticking around with me. I know it's a short video. I've got to get out to the chicken coop and get it cleaned and check on the baby. I did have 2 eggs. One of them was not viable. The baby died. So I got 1 baby left, and I still got some eggs in the incubator, and we'll see how that goes. But this is my new journey. I'm going to get debt free and just live my life happy as I can be. So remember, guys, to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.